Not all properties are going to make money for you. Yes, you heard me right. Not all properties that you try to buy are going to make money for you. Now, there are three things that real estate investors use to analyze and decide whether a property is actually going to work for them, is going to make money for them, or it is just not worth their time. These three things are: one, the location, where it is, what is near it, what is around it, how accessible is the property. Two would be the functionality of the property. And here you take into consideration how the property is designed, what the property offers to the people that are going to be in it. Are they going to feel comfortable enough to want to keep staying there year after year or month after month that they're going to be renting this property off of you? And thirdly is going to be how much this property is going to cost you to acquire and or to maintain as the years go on. My name is Lerato Lekena-Okoro, and today I welcome you not just to the channel, but also to this property tour where I am going to be showing you a newly listed development that we have acquired. The property is located along a tarred road that links to the Lekki-Epe Expressway, and two prominent landmarks that are really close by would be Jakande and what used to be the Circle Mall. Now, if you were to consider functionality, the property is a fully serviced development that comprises of 1 and 2 bedroom apartments. Now, in the market, 2 bedrooms particularly are the most in-demand property type that we've ever had. Like, if you have a property and there are 2 bedrooms, you are guaranteed that those are going to be taken, sold out, or rented out before any other type. But now we are starting to also see an almost equal demand for 1 bedrooms, especially when they are full apartments. And that is a unique selling point for this property. The property has only 1 and 2 bedroom apartments. It's fully serviced. It has all the amenities to make living there really comfortable. And I'm just gonna take my time now to start showing you all of these things. Like, for starters, if you look to the sides of the building, you have enough space for parking, but that's not the only parking space that's there. We also have space for parking in front of the property, and we also have extra parking right under the building. If you were thinking of what the rental value for property in Osapa is, properties close to us, we hear were rented out in a mini flat. We're rented out for between 1.5 and 1.7. So imagine what your 1 bedroom flat would actually be able to command on the market. But don't let me tell you all about this from the outside. Let me show you the inside, and then you can decide how much it is that you want to be able to put your property on the market for after you've bought it. So going into the property, the 1 bedrooms are on one side of the property and the 2 bedrooms are on the side towards the back of the property. So when you're downstairs, depending on where you're going, either you're going to the 1 bedrooms or you're going to the 2 bedrooms, that would determine what entry point you are going to go up into the property with. So today we're going to start from the 1 bedroom. So let's go look at that. So here, as you can see, I am going up into the property and I'm going towards the 1 bedrooms. So the stairway goes right from the ground to the top, and on each floor you have 2 units of 1 bedroom or the 2 bedrooms, as the case may be, depending on which side of the building it is that you're in. And you are going to be able to go from you can't go from one to the other in terms of the 1 bedrooms or the 2 bedrooms unless you come right down to the bottom. So here I'm going to show you going into the 1 bedroom. All of the apartments start with an open plan living room. So you see the open plan space, the kitchen and the living room literally share the space. You have a divider or a countertop, as the case may be. And in this one, what we have is a divider. In the kitchen, you have all the space. You're going to have cabinetry that is across all the entire space of that divider. As you can see, I'm just walking through it. You're going to have the big windows that will be above a sink. You have the circuitry that is also going to be functional for equipment and stuff like that you're going to use in the kitchen. And the same would also apply to the living room that would have its own sockets for all your televisions or anything else that you may want to put on in the living room. Right beside the open plan living room space, you would have the guest toilet. And now to the bedroom. As you can see, the bedroom is relatively well spaced, and it even has its own allocated space for the wardrobe. As you can see, this is me trying to show you how much space that has been kept aside for the wardrobe. Here you could either decide to have a full structural wardrobe, or you could have an L-shaped wardrobe, make it feel like you were walking into it, or you could even just have a dresser on the other end of it. Coming right here, we now come into what is your ensuite bathroom. The bathrooms are designed for a shower, a toilet, and obviously it's going to have a sink. So there you can feel as comfortable or as luxurious as your space is going to allow you, either as the owner of the property that will be living in it or as a resident. So now, just looking at all of this, how much do you think that you are going to want to put as rent for your apartment? Have you started to think about that? Hold that thought. Let's see the 2 bedrooms. Welcome to the 2 bedroom. Here I am standing in front on the first landing. I didn't go up to see any of the flats on the upper floors. I'm only on the first landing, so you have the first landing. And again, you have 2 apartments here. And I'm going to walk through one of them. As with the 1 bedroom, you walk into the apartment and you have the open plan living room and kitchen. And you can see in the 2 bedroom, we have a whole lot more space, because the 2 bedrooms actually are on a total space of about 120 square meters for the 2 bedroom, and the 1 bedrooms are on about 75. But here we have the 2 bedroom where you have all the space in the living room, and you also have a lot more space in the kitchen. The kitchen and the living room is divided by a countertop, so you could actually have breakfast here. You also have a balcony that opens out, and I'm showing you there because I'm walking out towards the balcony. And then you also have the guest toilet very close to the balcony. Here you can go on to complete your tour of the 2 bedroom. So as you could see in your tour of the 2 bedroom, you have both bedrooms to be fully en suite. They have big windows, they're quite spacious, and they will be very comfortable in terms of being a full-on 2 bedroom flat. As an investor looking to get into the Nigerian real estate market, you are going to have to look for a balance between a property that looks good and one that is going to be in high demand by the market. This property ticks both boxes in terms of it is in a location that is high in demand, and its functionality, as you have just seen, is quite epic in the sense that either you are taking the 1-bedroom or the 2-bedroom, whoever is going to stay within the premises is going to be able to adapt it very nicely to their lifestyle and feel like they're living a luxurious lifestyle, as is the desire by most people. So if you're interested to know more in terms of pricing, the prices are going to be showing here on the screen. And you also have a contact number where you can reach out to us to get more information or to book your inspections to the site, or even just to say, I am ready to get started, which I hope that you are going to be when you're done watching this video. If you have any further questions, comments, or you even want to share your own opinion as regards to what it is that you want us to be able to show you in another video, please comment below, and also feel free to share this video. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, please do so now. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain, because all that we give here and we share is valuable information, tips, strategies, and insights about the Nigerian property market. These are things that you are going to need to know to make your investment journey smarter and more successful. Till next time when another video rolls by, I will be here, and I hope that you will keep watching.